Well, our restoration works include replacing the glass that's broken, maintaining what's here for its historic value, and redecorating, refurbishing the metalwork, just as we're doing with the ley light in the control room. Very similar. Taking glass out where we can, rubbing down, prepping, priming, painting. The facades are being polished because there's a lot of brass and not in that bad a condition, whereas the main structure is more metalwork that needs painting. For us, it's a complete overhaul of the actual existing shaft, reinstating the original doors on new sliding door gear. It will look just as it was in its day. There's a new lift going in here, so there's a new lift shaft being built within this lift shaft, which will be, I think it will take 2 people. Very small, but quite modern. But in all purposes, it will look like the original from the outside. You won't see the new lift until you're in it, basically. Yeah, that's what we're doing here at the moment with this lift shaft.